Hey everyone, I am Simply Tamanisha and I'm back with another deal for you to steal in Walmart's clearance department. If you are not Walmart woke yet, what are you waiting for? Stop taking those sleeping pills and get on down to the clearance department because y'all, a girl is cleaning up. Now let me do some housekeeping. If you like this video, please like it. If you enjoy my channel, please subscribe and help me grow my channel because I'm going to be coming to you with the magic girl. Okay, look, let's start off with this. I did grab me some Brita filters from Kroger when they were on sale this summer, but then I found this little piece of love in the clearance department at Walmart, and what I like about it is that it has an actual meter that will tell you the quality of your water. This is something that I think is really ideal for those times when we have storms and you got to boil water or whatever, and you want to just filter out some water that you can use to do various things. This would be a pretty good thing. Even though, sidebar, if you know a big storm is coming, just go ahead and save you some water in some containers, because you don't want to take a chance even when boiling water. It could be a problem, right? So good water is always necessary. Okay, y'all, look. I got a drone. Don't mess with your girl. I got a drone at Walmart in the clearance department for $43.50. I'm going to be flying my drone all over the house just to see what Scrappy and Milo are doing, because they always get into something when I'm busy. So I can't wait to charge this up. This drone is fully functional. It's rechargeable. I can connect it to my computer. It's by Sharper Image. I love Sharper Image, you guys. Avalanche. I love Sharper Image. My whole office is decorated with furniture from Sharper Image. So I do love this. I can't wait to get into it. Matter of fact, when I bought it, I thought, I could hover this drone around while I make all these really great videos for you guys. I can do the over the top. All right. So I got a case with 4 sets of black and color HP ink in the clearance department at Walmart. Now this particular clearance department was actually, guys, the clearance department in the electronics department, and they had all 4 of these for $81 in the case. So normally I pay about $100+ for just one package of these. I got all 4 for $81 for my HP mobile printer, so I'm in love with that. I swear I keep buying gadgets so I can make more videos, but y'all know how it is. Okay, so then I got a tripod for $3.90. I got a selfie light ring, and I think it was, what, $2? Let me see. I don't see it, but I think it was like $2, the selfie ring. I also got this little cutie for $10 at Walmart clearance, the little O-ring that gives you more lighting and stuff like that. So I'm real excited about that because I always feel like I have a lot of shadows and I'm not really a camera person or a professional photographer. So I feel like, you know, hey, some kind of way. Okay, so look, I got these raincoats for the dogs. They are $2.50. Now in their wardrobe, their first aid survival wardrobe, we have some of those little red floating vests, whatever you call them, that they wear, and they have a couple of heavy raincoats, but these were $2.50 each. They're clear and see-through, and I thought, hey, these would be great to take on simple trips and to keep the dogs from getting soaking wet. Milo won't use the potty when it's raining, I'm just gonna tell you. And then I grabbed a safety vest in case, you know, we're out, we like to travel, so if we're out on the road and we got to stop, maybe that's a good thing. Okay, so I grabbed this Snorex pillow for $21. I don't know if it really works yet, but I'll test it out and let you guys know. To be honest, I didn't buy it for me because my snoring doesn't wake me up. Other people's does. I won't mention any names. And then also I grabbed this little emergency food container. It was on clearance in the food department at Walmart, so that you get a chance to see it by Augustin. It's $19.99 and $19.97. I'm sorry. It expires October the 1st in 2031, you guys. So you might be able to find some of these online, but probably at double the price or so. And I will tell you that I had some dried peppers in my cart for Walmart this entire summer, and in my Amazon cart. I snoozed and I lost. The day I decided to just go ahead and buy it at $12 a container, they were sold out on both Amazon and Walmart. So if you see this stuff at a good price, you want to grab it. This one has what you see here: pancakes, mac and cheese, creamy chicken flavored rice for 4 people, creating up to 5 different meals. It also has potato soup, maple brown sugar. You see that? Freeze-dried emergency food. Like I said, you can find them on Amazon, you can find them at Walmart, or you can find them at Augustin. But when you find them for less than $20 a container, you're getting a deal. So that's a deal that you want to steal right away. Okay, guys, I don't want this video to take too long. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description box below. I will be happy to answer any questions that you have, and I really appreciate you guys watching my video and seeing all the wonderful things that I want to talk to you about.